Switchblades.tv presents Available at AssistedKnife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
Straight from Maniago, Italy, the Automatic Knife Company 9-inch Dark Horn Stiletto. AKC stamped on the blade. A custom modified comb. That's right, you heard me right. It's a comb. This is the simple directions on how to install the blade back into the handle. You simply turn the handle over, take the torque pivot pin that was customized on this edition by Valhalla Cutlery. You unscrew it, push out the pivot, and then reinsert the blade. Oh, don't be a ding-dong. Make sure that you put that tab towards the back. Otherwise, you're installing the blade backwards. That's it. Line it up and put the top bolster on. Now take the pivot screw and tighten it as tight as possible, but don't over tighten it because then you would restrict it from opening correctly. Then, once you have it adjusted to where you like it, you should apply Loctite and use the blue stuff and adjust it, let it sit and dry, and there you go.
Available at AssistedKnife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com